Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download a video on Instagram using the application called Repost on iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need in our hand is an iPhone, an Instagram account, and the application called Repost. And so now I will go to Instagram itself, go to my account, my profile, go to the video I wish to download, go to the right hand top corner of your screen, 3 dots, copy the link, and then go back to your home page, open up the application called Repost, click on this, and now we see the video. After copying the link is available on screen, we can change the Repost watermark sign and then click on the repost icon just on top of the home button. Caption is ready. When reposting to Instagram, just press tap and hold and then press the paste button. Okay. More apps. Save the video. The video has been saved. Go back to your home page, go to photos, and now we see the video on screen. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.